How are we feeling? You just finished your first challenge working together. First ever in this competition. Let's go take a look. We'll be back.
Bye.
Don't be nervous.
Anyone nervous?
I love it.
It is so cute.
We got lake and we got land, and we're starting with lake.
Wow, there's a lot to take in.
Yeah, beautiful floating dock out there.
You got the hammock, you got the chairs, got the floaties.
Yeah, the tiered style is beautiful.
Got a bit of a swim up bar.
Gonna have to check that out.
This has a great vibe. For me, what I love about this is they have created designated spaces, which I like. Are we heading over to the love boat I see over there?
Here we go, Brian. Ready? Ahoy! So there was an old boat on the beach here, and we let them use it. What do you think?
I think it actually looks great. They cut an entrance into the boat and then built the benches.
This would be your social media moment.
I think they've captured the essence of lake, along with all the things you'd want to do lakeside.
Yeah.
So that's Team Lake. Are we ready to see Team Land?
Yes.
All right.
Side
to
table.
It's like a beach bar.
I just love this whole
Okay,
moment
go
right
check
now.
it out, because this was an abandoned trailer. This is a tremendous amount of work that was accomplished in a short period of time.
Did someone create the mural or?
So Liz does the mural work, and I think they nailed it. Okay, let's check out the other zones down here. Cooking stations. Oh, this is a sweet spot.
really
Oh, I
nice.
like
Love the
this.
pizza setup.
Pizzas on the beach. This is a nice little, like, end of the day, watch the sunset.
You can eat, you can sit, you can relax. You know, they kind of hit everything here.
We brought you here to help / absolutely make the decision. Like, is it Team Lake? Is it Team Land? They're very different. The floating dock, they've spent a lot of time out there. And I mean, we're looking at it from the shore. Maybe I should get a closer look. It's time.
Okay, have fun in there.
Yeah. I don't know
No
what to say
comment
at
from
this
me.
point.
You guys are missing out. This is great.